afternoon to everyone. Okay, now let's discuss topics in simultaneous equation, which is system of a linear equation in three variables. Okay, let's straightforward to the example. Number one, solve the following system of linear equation in three variables. Okay, so this is the first example that we want to discuss. Okay, first step, what we do for these questions. Okay, name each equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. And then if you look at the equation, each of the equation, okay, so y seems to another equation, same terms, z also same terms, which is the coefficient equals to 1. So what do we do is equation 1, and between equation 1 and equation 3 we try to simplify. Okay, for example, okay, equation 1 for the step 1 minus equation 3, right? So equation 1 is 2x plus y minus z equals to -1, and then equation 2, x plus y minus z equals to 0. Okay, so the operation between these two equations is subtract. Okay, subtract, and then we get, okay, 2x minus x equals to x, so y minus z equals to plus 0, and then z minus negative z plus 0 equals to -1 minus 0, so equals to -1. So therefore, straightforward, you get value of x equals to -1. Alright, and then second step, okay, from equation 2, okay, we simplify from equation 2. What do we do? Okay, alright, substitute, okay, value of x into the equation. Okay, so -3 times -1 because of x equals to -1 plus 2y plus 2z equals to 9, and then simplify, you get 3 plus 2y plus 2z equals to 9, and simplify, okay, 3 bring to the right hand side, so 2y plus 2z equals to 9 minus 3, okay, equals to 6, and then all together divide by 2, so you get y plus z equals to 3. So this is equation 4. And then from equation 3, alright, from equation 3, okay, from equation 3, and then substitute the value of x equals to -1, so -1 plus y minus z equals to 0, and then you get y minus z equals to so -1 bring to right hand side, so y minus z equals to 1, equation 5. Okay, before that, I would like to add page. Alright, okay, so for this one, okay, and then between operation equation 4 and 5, okay, what do we do? Okay, so minus, so equation 4 minus equation 5, so y plus z equals to 3, and y minus z equals to 1. Alright, the operation is minus. Okay, the operation is minus, so what do we get? So y minus y equals to 0, z minus negative z equals to plus 2z equals to 3 minus 1 equals to 2, therefore z equals to divide by 2 equals to 1. And then last but not least, what do we do? Substitute z equals to 1 into 5. Okay, equation 5, so y minus z equals to 1 equals to 1, so y equals to, bring to the right hand side, so 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, so y equals to 2. So for all the variable, x equals to -1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 1. So this is the answer for the question for the simple linear equation in three variables. Now let's continue with the second example questions, which is a more challenging question, okay, compared to example question 1. Alright, for and then let's proceed. Okay, first step, name the equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. And then okay, from equation, okay, let's look equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, we can multiply with the coefficient so that the coefficient are same. Okay, so let's look equation 1. Okay, from equation 1, right, 2 and 3. Okay, the lowest common factor of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 times 3 equals to 6. Therefore, equation 1 times 3. Right, times 3, so 3 times 6x plus 3y plus 2z, okay, equals to 2, right, and then expand, so we get 18x plus 9y plus 6z equal to 6, and we name it as equation 4. And the second one, from equation 2, okay, multiply with 2, okay, so that z and the term z are same. Okay, so 2 times 7x minus 5y plus 3z equals to 22. Then expand, so 14x minus 10y plus 6z equals to 44, and we name it as equation 5. Okay, the idea here, why we want to make term z is the same, because we want to eliminate. Okay, we want to eliminate the terms, so that only terms x, okay, and y left. Okay, so then what do we do? Okay, from that, okay, equation 5 minus equation 4. Okay, so copy equation 5 is right, copy, so this is equation 5 and equation 6. Right, and then right, minus. Alright, so we do the operation minus, so 14x minus 18x equals to negative 4x, and then negative 10, okay, negative 9. Oh, okay, so equation 5 minus equation 4, so negative 10y minus 9y, so negative 19y, and then plus 6 minus 6 equals to 0, and then 44 times 6 equals to 38, and then rearrange, so we get 4x minus 19y equals to 38. Okay, we name it as equation 6. Now you can see only 2 terms left. Okay, and then again, alright, our second mission is we want to determine another 3 terms become 2 terms. Alright, so from here, alright, from equation 3, alright, from equation 3, you will see between and equation 1, right, which terms we want to eliminate, because of equation 6 only x and y terms, so that we want to see also, we want to eliminate also terms z. Alright, okay, so from equation 1, from equation 3, right, equation 3, alright, times 2, y times 2, alright, equation 3 times 2, because z is negative 5z, right, so and between 2 z's, okay, so the lowest common factor between 2 and 5 is 10, so times 2 times, okay, equation 3, x plus 2y minus 5z equals to negative 24. Alright, you expand, so you get 2x plus 4y minus 10z equals to negative 48, and then we name it as equation 7. Alright, and then the second equation 1, right, times 5, and then 5 times equation 1 is 6x plus 3y plus 2z equals to 2, and then you expand, you get 30x plus 15y plus 10z equals to 10. Right, so okay, from here we name it as equation 8. Alright, and then okay, proceed. Okay, we want to eliminate, okay, terms z. Okay, so because of the first terms of z is negative or minus, and the second one is addition, so what do we do is equation 7 plus, okay, equation 8, so that when a negative 10z plus positive 10z, so it become 0. Okay, all right, so let's proceed. All right, first equation is equation 7, right? Copy, and we get, okay, this is equation 7 and this is equation 8. Okay, so proceed. Okay, the operation is plus. Okay, 2x plus 30x is 32x. And then 4y plus 15y plus 19y, and then negative 10z plus 10z. Okay, so it become plus 0 equals to negative 48 plus 10 equals to negative 38. And then simplify, 32x plus 19y equals to negative 38. Okay, we name it as equation 9. Okay, so as you can see now, alright, the equation 6 and equation 9 become only two terms. Okay, that is our target. From the 3 terms become 2 terms, and then proceed with simultaneous equation. Alright, from here, equation 6, alright, and equation 9. Alright, so this is equation 6 equals to negative 4x minus 19y equals to 38, and equation this is equation 6, and equation 9 is 32x plus 19y equals to negative 38. This is equation 9. Okay, what is the operation between these two linear equation, and eliminate one of the terms? Okay, now you can see because of negative 19, okay, it's negative, so 19y, right? So between these different operations, so we can use addition. So that means equation 6 plus equation 9. So plus here. Okay, so negative 4x plus 32x, so we get 28x, and then plus negative 19y plus 19y, so equals to 0, equals to 38 plus negative 38, also 0. So therefore, so we get 28x equals to 0, therefore x equal to 0. Okay, so x equals to 0. Alright, so because of x equals to 0, so we substitute x equals to 0 into equation 6. Okay, either 6 or 9. Okay, either one we can substitute so that we can get the value of y. Okay, let's proceed. So negative 4 times 0 minus 19y equals to 38. Okay, because I substitute into equation 6, so negative 4 times 0, so equals to 0. So 19, negative 19. Okay, y equals to 38, so therefore y equals to 38 over negative 19, y equals to negative 2. Alright, so okay, from here we get two values, okay, which is x equals to 0 and y equals to negative 2. Alright, so z, how to find the value of z? So substitute the values of x and y into, right, into let's say okay, let's say which one, which equation, right, which equation, right, these 3 equation is simple, right? I think equation 3, right? So equation 3 into equation 3. Okay, so what is equation 3? So equation 3 is x plus 2y minus 5z equals to negative 24. So this is equation 3. And then substitute the value of x equals to 0 and y negative equals to negative 2 into y. Then proceed. So 0 plus 2 times negative 2 minus 5z equals to negative 24. And then we proceed. Negative 4 minus 5z equals to negative 24. Right? So bring 4 to the right hand side. Okay, like this. So it become addition, because this is right, because this is negative. Bring to the right hand side, it become addition. Okay, alright, so now let's proceed. Therefore negative 5z equals to negative 24 plus 4, right, equals to negative 20. Therefore, right, z equals to negative 20 over negative 5, z equals to 4. Okay, so our conclusion, therefore, right, x equals to 0, y equals to negative 2, and z equals to 4. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Alright, to proceed for this question. Okay, I hope you understand why we use this kind of substitution method or elimination method. Okay, the first the reason why is, first we want to make from 3, right, from 3 x, y, z become let's say 2 terms. Okay, whether xy or exact or yz, and then that is our first goal. And then use the simultaneous method to solve the equation. Alright, so until now I hope you understand. Thank you.